He that fights and runs away, may turn and fight another day, but he that is in battle slain, will never rise to fight again. A bad peace is even worse than war. It is human nature to hate the man whom you have hurt. The desire for safety stands against every great and noble enterprise. It belongs to human nature to hate those you have injured. Be assured those will be thy worst enemies, not to whom thou hast done evil, but who have done evil to thee. And those will be thy best friends, not to whom thou hast done good, but who have done good to thee. Valor is of no service, chance rules all, and the bravest often fall by the hands of cowards. A desire to resist oppression is implanted in the nature of man. Fear is not in the habit of speaking truth. When perfect sincerity is expected, perfect freedom must be allowed, nor has anyone who is apt to be angry when he hears the truth any cause to wonder that he does not hear it. When a woman has lost her chastity, she will shrink from nothing. In a state where corruption abounds, laws must be very numerous. Candor and generosity, unless tempered by due moderation, leads to ruin. No one would have doubted his ability to reign had he never been emperor. Greater things are believed of those who are absent. All things atrocious and shameless flock from all parts to Rome. Victor and vanquished never unite in substantial agreement. Noble character is best appreciated in those ages in which it can most readily develop. Custom adapts itself to expediency. Prosperity is the measure or touchstone of virtue, for it is less difficult to bear misfortune than to remain uncorrupted by pleasure. Abuse, if you slight it, will gradually die away, but if you show yourself irritated, you will be thought to have deserved it. Love of fame is the last thing even learned men can bear to be parted from. Many who seem to be struggling with adversity are happy, many, amid great affluence, are utterly miserable. The more corrupt the state, the more numerous the laws. Reason and judgment are the qualities of a leader. To plunder, to slaughter, to steal, these things they misname empire, and where they make a wilderness, they call it peace. Truth is confirmed by inspection and delay, falsehood by haste and uncertainty. Old things are always in good repute, present things in disfavor. It is always easier to require an injury than a service, gratitude is a burden, but revenge is found to pay. Things forbidden have a secret charm. When men are full of envy, they disparage everything, whether it be good or bad. When the state is most corrupt, then the laws are most multiplied. All enterprises that are entered into with indiscreet zeal may be pursued with great vigor at first, but are sure to collapse in the end. Show resentment at a reproach is to acknowledge that one may have deserved it. A shocking crime was committed on the unscrupulous initiative of few individuals, with the blessing of more, and amid the passive acquiescence of all. Those in supreme power always suspect and hate their next heir. We see many who are struggling against adversity who are happy, and more although abounding in wealth, who are wretched. It is less difficult to bear misfortunes than to remain uncorrupted by pleasure. Top 3 Aulus Gellius quotes, Philosopher. Truth is the daughter of time. I see the beard and cloak, but I don't yet see a philosopher. Another one of the old poets, whose name has escaped my memory at present, called Truth the daughter of time. Top 4 Cornelius Nepos quotes, Philosopher. Hateful is the power, and pitiable is the life, of those who wish to be feared rather than loved. No government is safe unless fortified by goodwill. So that he seemed to depart not from life, but from one home to another. Peace is obtained by war,